Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I will do review and demo of Partnero software. With this one, you will be able to create your own affiliate or referral programs. This kind of unique software that hits AppSumo, I didn't see similar. So looking through the features, there will be a lot of integrations for your payment systems and mailing systems. So PayPal, Stripe, MailChimp. You will be able to create your own affiliate programs for your courses or products and reward your partners for bringing clients. You will be able to set up commissions, fixed or percentage-based, in any currency, included customization of affiliate tracking links and cookie duration. Also, there is white-labeled partner portal, approval and onboarding cards for new partners. Yep, so it seems like a solid software to set up your affiliate or referral programs. So what other features do we have included into AppSumo deal? Unlimited transactions, unlimited visitors, white-labeled portal, data dashboards, currency conversion, mass payouts, API and webhooks. So I believe it is a must-have for this kind of software. Regarding license tiers, you have several options, and all of those include unlimited partners and affiliates, unlimited referrals, unlimited custom tracking domains, and the limitation is about how many partner programs you can run with how many team members and newsletter subscribers per program. I think it is related to newsletter referral program. So maximum what you can have 30 partnership programs for license tier 3 with unlimited team members and 100,000 newsletter subscribers per program. Alright, so here it is, the portal, and let's create affiliate program. Let it be named Ketchup. Commission, let it be 25%. We can set a fixed amount as well. And period, yep, let it be lifetime and create. Alright, so let's move next. I've uploaded few logos. And we are done. So let's explore some settings. Right away, I can see that if you would like to change this domain and not host your partner program on partneroapp.com, you can connect your own domain. We have few more settings like commission review period, payout threshold. We can modify the structure of our referral link and cookie lifetime. So let it be a week. Also, we can have, again, our domain to have custom links and few more important options like approval for new partners, automatic commission approvals. So now let's start integrating. If you use Shopify or WooCommerce, you will have easier onboarding, I think. For example, if you're using Shopify, you will need to install Partnero Affiliate Management application and then follow the instruction, and similar for WooCommerce. Now let's check standard integration. First of all, you will be able to track your referred visitors. You will need to put this provided code into your website, for example, into head section of your HTML code. And then to actually track signups and sales, I think you need to do a little bit of development yourself or hire a developer to do that for you. Because when actual sale occurs, there are several types of integrations to track that. First one is Partnero API. So when from your website a sale occurs, you will need to make this API call and pass this kind of data. Then there is an option to do that with JavaScript. But again, when a sale occurs, you will need to make a call to Partnero website using the JavaScript provided. And you can do similar directly using Stripe or Paddle integration. And if you will have any issues integrating Partnero into your website, you may reach to the support team and they will assist you. Okay, and just to test the partner portal, I'm now logging in at newly created portal, Partneroapp.com. So let's create new account there and register. Alright, so now I have logged in as a partner. I'm getting my referral URL to promote a potential product or course or whatever you need. So here I will see statistics about clicks, signups, and sales. And even I will be able to create some custom URLs. Will be able to manage my payouts and see the reporting. Okay, let's continue exploring the tool. And here we are at the portal preferences. So here we will be able to configure and fine-tune the portal. For example, we can add onboarding and closing messages. We can upload some assets, I believe something that partners may use to promote our product, and even can apply some translations here. We can add some keywords even and Google trackers. There are some other links available like program page, login page, and sign up page. So here we may customize that as well. All right, moving on, emails. And actually it is great that you have a lot of predefined emails which you can send automatically from Partnero application. For example, partner approved, you don't need any other separate software, and you will be able to send and edit a specific email. That's a very powerful feature. So usually to have nicely structured and branded emails with some variables and placeholders, you need a special email marketing software, but here it is included. So really nice to have. What else we have here? We can create coupons and share those to promote our product. Of course, we will have a detailed analytics. You can see that I have one sign up that I just did. So we have one partner. And here are the details about our partner. And of course, you will be able to manage your payouts here. All right. So moving to a conclusion, Partnero seems like a solid software to create and manage your affiliate or referral programs to promote your product or online course or whatever you need to promote online. It has all needed functionality, and actually it feels like a very solid and established software. It provides financial integrations that you will need. It provides easier integration to Shopify and WooCommerce stores, as well as a lot of flexibility with custom API to track your signups. Configuring partner portal was very easy, and I was able to log in right away as a new partner. So yeah, Partnero is a solid affiliate and referral program manager. If you will need this kind of software, please check my link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.